Hi guys, I'm Aishwarya and welcome to my channel where we learn insurance from the basics. Now I am a software engineer, so I don't know much about insurance, but I have always wanted to learn more about insurance because my father is in that field for like 40 years now. So I thought, why not learn from him? I mean, it is a life skill. We might all need insurance someday, who knows? So I decided, let's learn from him, but I didn't want to do it all alone. I thought, why not just make videos so that everybody is benefited? I learn, you learn, we all learn it together. So I'm gonna start the video. Today we're gonna cover the basics. Okay, just the basics of insurance, where we discuss about why we need to invest in insurance, who started insurance, and what was the first documented instance of it, when was it for the first time written as a policy, and what kind of insurance was written as a policy. We're going to discuss all those things in this video today, and I hope you're going to like it, and subscribe if you like it, and see you at the end of the video. Bye bye.
Hello friends, I am here to just give you a brief idea about a concept called insurance. Have you heard about the word insurance before? Maybe or may not be. Or some of you or most of you may be knowing something about life insurance. Okay, life insurance is one segment of insurance, and there is much more to that. Property insurance, so many things. So what is the exact meaning of insurance? Insurance will give you an assurance. What kind of assurance? Financial assurance. It doesn't protect you against kind of accident or fatal damage, injury or property damage or anything like that. But if it happens, when we say if it happens, it is something which we have to visualize that there can be many such. Okay, suddenly you are rushing from the office back home. You may be a perfect rider, or your vehicle may be good enough, road is okay, but due to so many reasons, an unexpected accident can happen. Maybe somebody's mistake, or somebody misjudged, and they also might have taken corrective action, but a third person comes and hits both the. So there are so many such possibilities. Similarly, factories encountering major fire, explosion, so many things. So all these things are something which is likely to happen, which cannot be ruled out. So in the event of such an incident, such an event where a person is put to, or a family is put to real stake in their life, insurance will financially support them. So insurance doesn't protect you against accidents or such events, but if it happens, insurance will financially support. That is the concept of insurance. Now let's just go back to how the whole concept evolved. Olden days, villagers, they had the concept of creating funds. So from every family, from their monthly earning or daily earning or weekly earnings, they will contribute, and a fund will be created. Whenever there is a need, okay, daughter is to be married off, a person suddenly needs funds. He can ask for funds, and the funds, there is a fund available, and for his contingency management he will be given. Or suddenly somebody falls sick, there is a need. So they created funds to ensure that any of the members of the village, when they have a financial contingency, the funds will be given from this fund created by the contribution from the villagers. So how does it come? People contribute and create a fund, and when a need comes from a few, one or two, they will be given. This is the basic principle of insurance. Contribution from many and compensation or financial support to a few. This is the basic principle of insurance. Now if we just go back to historical evolution, the oldest form of popularly known insurance policy, documented form of insurance, comes from maritime insurance. It is shipments, either the ship getting sunk or the cargo getting damaged, so many ways. So ship can be insured, the cargo can be insured. So country to country, whenever trade operations were there, cargo will have to be moved from one country to another country. And most of such shipments used to be almost of 3 months duration. Assume that a ship leaves from London, by the time it reaches Mumbai, almost 3 months. Those days it was all steam engine, not diesel and all. So ships used to move very slowly. It used to take a lot of. Over a period of the 3 months time, the ship may encounter so many problems. It can be a storm, tornado, then pirates, that is thieves just using deadly weapons and then taking over the ship. So many ways. The ships used to encounter a lot of problems. So there was a need for insuring the ship as well as the cargo, so that in the event of any incident where there is a loss, financially the person who suffers such a loss will be supported. Is that clear? So I'll just summarize it in today's session. Insurance operates on creation of funds by many and financial support or compensation to a few. That is the basic principle of insurance. Is that okay? Fine?
So every time I told any of my friends about my father's profession, that he was an insurance surveyor, all they thought was he's a life insurance agent. I mean, somebody who sells insurance to you. But this is the complete opposite of it. Insurance survey is like the other extreme end of it. They don't sell any software, sell any insurance policy to you. In fact, the policy that you already have, they just help you get your money from the company. That is the kind of job my father does. Now, most often we get confused between life insurance and other kinds of insurance. So there are a lot of different kinds of insurance. For example, even your vehicle. As soon as you buy it, they surely offer you an option to buy insurance for your vehicle, right? Or some of them even provide 3 years free motor insurance or things like that. So there are a lot of kinds of policies, lot of different kinds of insurances that you can have. It can even be for your gold or for your building or for your factory. It can be for anything for that matter. And we're gonna learn all of them in the upcoming videos. And I hope you really liked the video. I liked it. I learned a lot from it. I had no idea that the first time insurance as a concept was used by villagers. I mean, they were probably even illiterate, but they had that much sense to use insurance as a concept to help protect and help each other within the community. And also that the first policy was a marine policy, marine cargo policy. I had no idea, but I learned it today. And if you want to continue learning more about this insurance field, you can click the subscribe button. And if you like today's video, make sure to click the like button. Okay? Meet you next time. Bye-bye.